Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change page size in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to change the page size of your Google Docs document, then you need to open your file. Now here in your document, you need to click on File. Now here in the bottom, you will find Page Setup. In Page Setup, you will find the option to change the file size. By default, it is on A4 size. You can change it to letter, etc. I am selecting the letter size. You can also change the margins. And after doing the required changes, click on OK. Now all the changes will apply on your document. So friends, like this you can very easily change page size in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.